Hi everyone, my name is Poitra and today I'm doing mathematics again, and our topic is quadratic equation. What you want to know first before getting into it is this thing. Rock. Okay. Ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Which a, b, c can represent any number, but a must not be 0. Must not. And x can be any variable that we don't know yet, and we will find that out. So we have about 4 ways to find out quadratic equations. Yes, of course, from the easiest way to the hardest way, which is factorization for the easiest and graphing for the hardest. But I don't think graphing is hard. Whatever. Today I'm going to show you 2 ways of them, which is factorization is the easiest one, and the one that's kind of hard-ish, I think. That is quadratic equations way. It's the name for it. So you want to know that factorizations or factorizing is what? You already learned this. So it's like 2 quantities times each other and get that number. So I already have an example and my answer cue right here. But what I want to show you is one example for each. Okay? Which one should I do? I think this one might be good. So for factorization or factorizing is x squared plus x minus 42 equals to 0. Factorization, you better prepare 2 parentheses or quantities. There you go. X, 2 things that time each other are going to be x squared, which is x of course. And something that time each other's 2 numbers times each other equals to negative 42. And plus or subtract each other to get 1, because that is 1x. And I already got that number. 7 and 6 got 42. 7, 5, 35, 7, 6, 42. Yeah. Okay. So you want to get negative right there and plus right there. So I think one of them has to be plus and one of them has to be minus, which I already figured out that this must be negative, this must be positive. Yes, because I already looked at the answer key. Okay, anyway, you can find that out by just timing each other. Oh! Okay, whatever. So you got that, and you want to better find out x right now because it's wasting your time. So let's see this first. X plus 7 equals to 0, right? Because this is the equation. And you want to know x, so move on. Positive 7, move to other direction, negative 7. When you move to other direction, you must change your operation. From plus to minus, minus to plus, time to divide, divide to times. Okay, next one. I'm talking too much now. X minus 6 equals to 0. So x must be positive 6, right? Negative, positive. So positive 6 or 6. Now you got 2 answers of it. X is equal to negative 7 and x is equal to 6. Oh, I have 2 numbers, which is not the same. Well, that's alright because that's what quadratic equations are. You should all have 2 answers. Okay? So it can be either negative 7 or 6, whatever that is. And these were called as factorizations or factoring. Now I want to show you the second way, which is quadratic equations way, or solving quadratic equation. And what you want to remember is x squared, actually x, is equals to negative b plus or minus square root b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. What is ABC? Right here. Your A, your B, your C. Whatever number is A. For example, 2, that would be right there 2, 2. If your B is 6, right here would be 6 or negative 6, and right here would be 36. As you see, it's 1, 6, 1. Okay? And our example are 2x squared minus 8x minus 24 is equal to 0. Use this thing to figure it out. Okay, for sure negative b is going to be negative. This is your b, this is your a, this is your c. No. There you go. So now you want to find out negative b, or negative 8, plus or minus square root b squared, 64, minus 4 times 2. Okay, 4 times this first. So we got 24 times 4. Yeah. Now I'm going to write it this way first. 4 times 2 times negative 24. I'm not going to figure it out right now because I already have an answer key in my hand, and I'm sure I'm not going to waste time with that, but you have to in your exam. So I got that. It will be 8. Sorry for this. Negative times negative equals positive, okay? Because right here is negative. So x plus or minus square root, we figure out this part to be 256, which you can easily think that 256 square root of it is going to be 16. So your x is going to be, your x is going to be, okay, whatever that is. Your x is going to be 8 plus, divide by 4 because 2 times 2. Your x plus 16 divided by 4, and your second x is 8 minus 16 divided by 4, and I already got an answer for that, which is 6 and negative 2. So you got 2 answers. It can be either of them. It's up to you what you want to use, but you can't use like this one. You can't use this one in that factorization. So make sure you use it right. I know it's kind of hard, it's long, but you can do it. Okay, bye, and thank you for watching.